Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to import a project from a Compass transfer file into KellyDown. For this demonstration, we're going to import the project and then check the data after it's been imported against a report from Compass. Then we're going to import a single well from the Compass transfer file. So to get started, we're going to create a project into which we want to import the Compass data. We've already created a folder in the Database Explorer called Tutorials. So right-click on that folder, select Add New Project, and then name the project. We're going to call this project New Project. It doesn't matter what we call this project because it will be renamed when we import the Compass data. We're just going to leave the coordinate system as undefined for now. So click on the OK button. Go to the Administration menu, select Utilities, and select Import a project from a Compass transfer file. And then locate the file that we want to import and click on the Open button. Because Compass hasn't imported a file with this coordinate system before, it doesn't know how to translate the coordinate system to one that already exists in KellyDown. It's displayed the coordinate system it found in Compass, which is NAD 27. It's a state plane coordinate, and it's the Oklahoma 27 North Zone. Currently, the coordinate system in KellyDown is set as undefined. So these two don't match. So first we need to answer no, and then set the coordinate system in KellyDown to the same as in the Compass transfer file. So right-click on the new project again, select Project Properties, and then select the same coordinate system in KellyDown. So it was state planes, the state was Oklahoma, and the zone was NAD 27 Northern Zone. So click on the OK button, and then click on the OK button to close the project properties. Now do the same thing again, select Administration, Utilities, Import a project from a Compass transfer file. Locate the file again and click Open. So now the same message has been displayed again, but this time the zone in the Compass transfer file matches the zone in KellyDown. So click on Yes to import the data. So KellyDown will import the data and then display the information in the Database Explorer. So just for the exercise, we're going to delete that project, and then just to show you that KellyDown will remember the coordinate system translation after you've set it once. So create a project again, call it New Project. Leave the coordinate system as undefined. And now click on the Administration menu, select Utilities, and Import Project from a Compass transfer file. Locate the file and click Open. And KellyDown will immediately import the data and repopulate the Database Explorer. It's always a good idea to check the data after importing it from the Compass transfer file. A simple method of doing that is to look at the data in the KellyDown visualizer. So let's open the visualizer for the current well. The target data and the well plan data are imported from the Compass transfer file independently. So a good check is to make sure that the wells appear to be penetrating the targets at the center of the target. So do that for a couple of the wells and a couple of the targets, just to be sure that everything looks okay. A more precise way of checking the data, of course, is to look at the data itself. Normally, when you receive a Compass transfer file, you'll also receive a Compass planning report. So check the data in KellyDown against the Compass planning report. So open the well properties for one of the wells, and check that the map coordinates and the geographic coordinates and the well elevations match those from the Compass planning report. So look at the map coordinates for the well. The northings are 238053.28 north and 2155060.13 east for this particular well. And the wellhead elevation is 815 feet above mean sea level. And those agree with those in KellyDown. So click on the OK button and then open one or more of the well plans in KellyDown. Look at the data and check that the bottom line compares with the data in the Compass planning report. So here, the vertical depth at the bottom of the hole is 12,495 feet. The northings are 1935 north and the eastings are 1055 east. And once again, that exactly matches the data in the Compass planning report. As well as importing complete projects from a Compass transfer file, we can also import individual wells. To do this, first select the structure into which you want to import the wells. Then go to the administration menu, select Utilities, Import a well from a Compass transfer file. Locate the file and then click Open. Select the well or wells that you wish to import and then click on Yes to import the data. And once again, the Database Explorer is populated with the newly imported data. After you've imported a well plan from a Compass transfer file into KellyDown and then open the well plan data, you'll notice that the data has been imported purely as measured depths, inclination and azimuths. And those are the fields that are editable in the KellyDown well plan editor. But you may also notice that the data could be combined into one or more joined sections. For example, the rows between 3, 4 and 5 consists of a curved section, a hole section and another curved section. So you could join those by clicking on the Link Rows button in the toolbar. You'll also notice that line 5 corresponds with the target data for the LP target. So you can select LP target by clicking on the row and then click on that stage and click on Assign Target to Row. And you'll notice a capital T is added next to the row number, indicating that this well path goes exactly through that target at this point. Row 6 corresponds with the data in the BHA target, and you can enable the target coordinates by clicking on each individual cell and unlocking it. So click on the vertical depth, the northing and the easting cell and unlock each one by clicking on the lock cell button at the top. You can now select the BH target, select that row and select Assign Current Target to Row. And now the data looks more like a KellyDown well plan, and you can edit the dogleg rates and the inclination and azimuth or any of the cells that are highlighted. Thank you for watching this tutorial.